SANA stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. So looking at Sana Biotechnology, bro, with a $3.11 level, this is starting to kind of pick up, right? And I'm not just gonna assume that things are gonna take the better turn at the moment, because assuming is not what I do. And like, I haven't been in the market for 43,000 videos over 5 years. I've seen what's printing for me and what's not. So especially looking at this, bro, just that the likelihood of this thing just keeps melting is high. So how will do all that jazz? Well, if there is a double break, then I will look to take things further down. And if not, guess what? It's all good as well. Like, no hard feelings, man. Because, you know, beforehand, here's the proof of me selling the crap out of it. And this turning out to be the right one. It was like $3 at the time. It was like 5 months back. And yeah, just be patient. I do have previous Sana receipts, I believe. Yeah, 2 results. Very sick. If you want to learn to get those 10k months, plus the Discord, plus absolute risk-free opportunity, click the first link in the description. It's risk-free.